Come dancers, let's plant our ballet garden with Miss Puffy. Here are your C's. Plie means to bend your knees. Bend straight, bend straight. Elevate means to rise on your toes. Up, down, up, down. Tendu means to stretch and point. Show me your pretty ankle. Bourrée on your tippy toes. And turn. Arabesque, right? Such a pretty pose. Hold it. Arabesque, left, another pretty pose. Hold it. Sauté, jump, 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 around, jump. Échappé, open and close, jump out, jump in, jump out, jump in. Now let me see you do your favorite one. Good for you! Miss Puffy's so happy and so very proud. Thank you.